In this video, let's try to resolve this program, whatever we have implemented this program earlier, by using the interface segregation principle. So we know that in this program we are having some issue regarding to the implementation of the chef. So this chef is having the unwanted members, those are the management accounts and cleaning tables. Actually, we should not implement these manage accounts cleaning tables under the chef class. Logically, it is not correct. So to resolve this issue, let's implement the interface segregation principle in this program. Then we will understand what is the advantage of this interface segregation principle. So for that, let me take the one new file. So let me copy and paste here the same file I'm doing here, and let me rename the with ISP. Now let's remove the all logic which is inside of this program, and then rename with the without ISP to with ISP. So that's it. Now let me grab this file to right side here. So the first thing is that let's check the interface. Here we are having the cook, manage accounts and cleaning tables, right? So and what we are doing, we are giving this reference iRestaurant reference to the chef. So due to that reason, here we have to implement the all the services which are under the iRestaurant service. So to resolve this issue, let me prepare the different interfaces. That is the first step. That is the first step. Okay, so here what I can do, right? I will take the one new interface. Let's say I cook. So this I cook interface I have taken for cooking related operations. Okay, so what I will do, right here, let me prepare the one here, whatever I'm having the cook, this functionality, let me implement here. That's it. The same way, let me take the different interfaces like iCleaner and iAccountant. So iCleaner related interface which will be handle the clean tables related methodology. iAccountant interface which the interface which is useful for to manage the accounts. So that reason, let me prepare the two different interfaces again here. So that's it. So what is happening here, whatever I'm having the interface, large interface, that large interface I have converted into the three different interfaces. So each interface is taking their own responsibility, right? This is the first step. So whatever the complex related interface, we have to focus and we have to split those interfaces into the small interfaces, and each interface we have to maintain one specific reason. So that is the interface segregation principle, right? So now let me implement this chef class, and then I'm taking the iCook only here. That's it. So I won't take the iCleaner, I won't take the iAccountant, and just let me take the iCook. That's it. So here I have to implement the cook method, right? So I cook having the cook related methodology, just implement that. That's it. So what is that? So chef having the methodology, that is the cook related activities. And let me close this without ISP, this file. So what is the iChef? What is the chef here doing? So chef is implementing the only cooking related functionality. So we are following up ISP by not depending on the unnecessary methods. So unnecessary methods in the sense cleaning tables, who is in the iCleaner, management accounts. So we are not depending upon that. So iChef here we are taking the class uh, which is useful for to prepare the cooking related functionalities. So that's the reason we have to consider the iCook here. That's it. Now the same time, let me take the one more class, cleaner. Okay, so let's say cleaner. So here let me take the iCleaner. Okay, so now here iCleaner related functionality. So cleaning tables is the right. Let me implement the cleaning tables. Okay, so here what happened, cleaner, who is the cleaner? which we have to implement the cleaning related functionality. So again, we are following up the ISP principle. So what are the necessity details, necessity things we are implementing this class. Same way, accountant. So let me take the accountant class and let me implement the iAccountant related interface. So this iAccountant related interface I have taken here for the accountant class. Okay. So again here accountant, here under the accountant we can implement the account related functionality, right? And we can follows here ISP principle again. So in this way we can we have to implement the classes based on the respective interfaces. Okay, so while we are creating the class, you have to select the proper interface, appropriate interface. We should not select the unwanted interface to the respective class. Okay, unwanted interface in the sense you should not implement the iCleaner to the iChef because it is not a part of the chef related class, like that. Now let's create the one program and let's call all the methods which are under the different classes with the help of the interface. Now, so for that, let me create the class and then let me implement the method, main method. So here I'm taking the one interface iCook here, and I can implement the chef class to the interface because chef is the having the parent object, that is the iCook. So I can create the instance for this chef, and I can give this reference to the interface because this interface, whatever the iCook, this is the parent of the chef, right? So I can do this, and now then call the uh, cook. So we know that that output will be the cookie meals, right? So when I'm going to call that, this output will be the cookie meals. Just I'm printing the statements. The same way, let me prepare the eye cleaner. Let me prepare the cleaner and accountant. So keep in mind what are the parent of these classes. So cleaner is for eye cleaner, iAccountant interface is having the iAccountant. So accountant is having the iAccountant parent object, and the cleaner is having the iCleaner parent object. So we have to keep in mind. So based on that, let's call the clean tables and manage accounts. Okay. Same way how we have called the uh, cook method with the help of the iCook. Same way. So now, so like this. So I'm taking the iCleaner interface. I'm calling these cleaning tables the same way iAccountant, which is we are calling the management accounts. So now if you see the output, okay, so you are seeing the cookie meals, cleaning tables, and managing restaurant financials. So this is the way. So this is the way we have to execute the logic. So while you are executing the logic, while you are calling the methods, keep in mind the way what is the pattern you are using the code, that is very important. So by using the cook, you cannot call the manage accounts. Okay, so here C# code perspective that will be fine, coding will be fine, but logically it is not good. Okay, so here, what is the meaning of main interface segregation principle? A class should only implement the methods it actually needs. That is the main important. We should not force the class to implement the unnecessary methods. So that is the main agenda of the interface segregation principle.